Pearson Packaging Systems is an industrial automation provider. The vast majority of our customers are Fortune 500. A typical Pearson customer runs at least 2 shifts a day, 5 to 7 days a week. What we do is we provide end-of-line solutions. So we're typically the last automation in a customer's facility. We automate the process of forming or erecting corrugated cases and trays. We automate the process of packing the customer's end product into those cases or trays. Our entire reason for being is ensuring that we place the customer's product into a shipping container that safely gets it from the point of manufacture to the point where you or I would purchase it or consume it.
We're always looking for technologies to kind of go along with the needs of the industry. Everybody's in the industry is kind of familiar with panel view and those type of interfaces, but now recently, the Factory Talk Optix has hit the market. We're super excited about it because what we strive to do is give the user the best experience that they can have. What we're looking for is how the person's going to interact with the machine, which buttons they're going to push, what information they should receive back, how they should be able to come up to the machine without having to read manuals or have a training session and really just go. We're trying to make it as easy to operate as a phone, iPad, or something that everybody's familiar with. We've kind of built a structure now behind it where we've taken all of the technologies from all our machines and allowed us to manage this at a database level. It really opens up the data for us to be able to capture things, recipes, set machine setups, have a lot more information on the machine than we could have before. Gives us the ability to push this template out and update all machines simultaneously. Because this now has a different OS system inside of it that is working at a very high level, it's giving us the ability to connect at a database level in their HMI that you didn't have before. You were basically managing that somewhere off board or somehow using the PLC to do some of that functionality. We're kind of incorporating all languages in, all our machine models and our user manuals together all in one, and that's been kind of a game changer.